In this video, I want to talk about how you can add a custom indicator inside of TradingView. Now, I'll show you all the different methods depending on if it's your own indicator or if it's someone else's. So if it's not your own one, you want to head over to the indicators, and what you want to do is inside of indicators, you want to head over to community, and you will be able to see all of these or custom indicators made by people. Now keep in mind, some of these will be invite only, and if they're invite only, you'll receive an invite and you can do it from in here. Now another one is if you create it yourself, you want to open up the Pine editor. Once you're inside here, you want to put in the code, and then you can publish or you can add it to your chart, and you'll be able to see how it looks on your own chart. So these are the two ways to do this depending on if you made it yourself or if it's someone else's. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.